Forgive me, I realise I'm only half dressed for this video. How rude. Today's video is kind of in answer to some questions that I have gotten, particularly in relation to my Strathbury and my Coach bag, and what brands would I recommend. So today's video is going to be my 6 favourite handbag brands that I either have purchased from or I would very much like to in the future. I appreciate that 5 would have been catchier than 6, but there's 6 of them, so here we are. I know it's customary to leave your number 1 option until the last, but I'm not going to. I'm going to put it in at the very start of this video. But I do have to say Strathbury. I think if you are looking for that kind of mid-price point, this bag retails for about £500. And so obviously this is not a cheap item, I appreciate that, but the workmanship on this, the quality of it, the subtlety of the brand, the subtlety and yet the still recognizability of the branding, I just think is absolutely beautiful. I love that this is a music bar. I'm a musician, so this just kind of is that nice little touch, and I just love the brand. It is definitely the brand where I like the most of their designs, if that makes sense. I think we all have handbag brands where we go, that handbag is beautiful, what is that? I think we've all been there. But with Strathbury, I really do genuinely love almost all of thetheir designs. And the ones that I'm not so keen on are just because they wouldn't suit me in my lifestyle. So yes, number 1, I have to put it in right at the start of this video, is 100% Strathbury. I now feel bad for the other bags that I'm going to show you. I love you all, my darlings, I promise. At this point, I am going to direct you to my Pinterest page because I actually have a board on there titled Handbag Dreaming, and I'll have it linked down in the description box as well. But this is a board where if I find something really, really special, I like to add it, and then it just reminds me to keep an eye out for it. Maybe to start thinking about a savings pot that could go towards it one day. But this is actually a brand that I discovered through The Devil Wears Prada 2. I don't know whether it was in the film or if it's in the promo, like she was wearing it on the press tour. But Meryl Streep was actually carrying the grey version of this bag. And it's by Della Luna Venezia, I believe. Forgive me if I'm completely mispronouncing that, but it is their Vera bag, and I'll have it here. But especially in this maroon colour. I think this is the perfect maroon colour. I am not a bright red kind of gal when it comes to my clothes and my accessories. The colour just has too much weight to it to kind of go with my style, to just go with me. It just doesn't quite fit. Whereas something like this like raspberry toned burgundy, I just think is beautiful. I love the top handle. I absolutely love the logo of this brand. Again, it's so subtle. It's very much a if you know, you know kind of a vibe. But I've done a bit of digging into this brand and just the craftsmanship is impeccable. And obviously this is a slightly higher price point. This one is €1,450, which is a lot of money, okay? I'm not claiming this will be a very special bag if I ever am lucky enough to own it. But I just think it's absolutely beautiful. I love the decorative elements on the front of it. I just think it's absolutely stunning. So that is a brand that I very, very much have my eye on for something very special in the future. At number 3, we have one of the newest items in my collection, and this is my beautiful Coach bag. Now, when it comes to Coach, personally, for my style, I prefer their older designs, but I do think that the newer designs are still very beautifully made. They just don't quite fit with me quite so well. So I absolutely love the stuff that was being made maybe like 5+ years ago. I prefer the older branding and all that kind of thing. But I do think that Coach, even though they have become they've exploded in the last few years. And that's very much, we see a lot of them online and all this kind of stuff. But I think their quality has remained pretty consistent. Their prices have gone up a bit, but actually I don't think they've gone up as much as they could have pushed them up. Do you know what I mean? They haven't gone up in the same way that like Chanel has, for example. Chanel does not feature on this list, spoiler, because I don't like what the brand is trying to do. I don't quite know where they're going. I don't get what's happening with it. So a vintage Chanel, maybe, but at the moment I'm not that interested in the brand. When it comes to Coach, I just think that in a similar way with Strathbury, they're in that kind of mid-range. It's still not a cheap item, but it's not stratospheric either, and I really do think you get what you pay for. This bag is beautiful. I get so many compliments on it. It sits beautifully, it holds its shape really wonderfully, and yes, like the metal is really good quality, you know, all those kinds of things that make something feel like a very luxurious experience to hold, to wear, to use, and we do want that. When we're paying significant money for something, we want it to really feel special. So yes, I think Coach definitely fits in that category. My fourth brand is basically anything by Mulberry. Mulberry is a British brand, so of course I have a little bit of a soft spot for it, and I am very, very lucky to own a beautiful vintage Mulberry piece. I got this on eBay, and it is forever one of my best bargains that I've ever found pre-loved. This was under £50, and I love it. I use this bag so much. I love the fact that it's black, and then you've also got the brown, so it goes with absolutely everything. I love this kind of pebbled effect leather. It's so hard wearing. It's such a good size. You can fit so much in here without it being a large tote bag, and also the handles are the perfect size because you can wear it on your shoulder, because it does annoy me when you have a bigger bag that you can't put on your shoulder, because, you know, if you're filling it full of lots of things, you don't want to be holding it or having it on your arm the whole time. But that is by the by. Mulberry, just as a general rule, I think their bags are just so classic. You know, the Bayswater is as popular now as it's ever been for very, very good reason. These bags are beautifully made. The quality of the leather is absolutely stunning, and I also really like how they do have quite a good range, so you can kind of spend what you want in there. Obviously their prices start at a certain amount, but they do really cater to a wide range of budgets. I also really like the fact that they have so many different styles. You know, you can buy a beautiful evening bag, you can buy an everyday bag that's going to, you know, come absolutely everywhere with you. You can get a real range from them, and I just think that they've held on to their heritage really, really well. This is a bag that I'm proud to wear because it just feels like a real heritage piece, and I absolutely love her. She's stunning. And then at number 5, is this number 5? I think this is number 5. I've lost track. Coming in next. This is my beautiful LRM London bag. Now this is the lowest price point of all the bags that I have shown you today, but honestly it is such a beautiful bag for what you're paying for. I will say the quality of the things like the hardware and the lining is not as high as, for example, in my Strathbury, but this was a quarter of the price, so therefore, you know, fair enough. But for me, the thing that really makes these bags special is the design. I actually think this is one of the best designed bags that I have in my collection because it's just beautiful. The proportions of it are wonderful. The way the crossbody attaches is really, really great because you don't have anything messing around on the sides here, although I've realised I've actually hooked this one onto the wrong place. We'll fix that in a bit. The catch is secure, but still easily, you know, get-atable. When you put your bag down on a surface, the top fully opens up like this and you can easily access what you need to. I really like the fact that it's got compartments inside. It's got it's got 2 zipped pockets, 2 open ones, and a little card area. You know, it's so well thought through. This is a bag that was designed by people who use their bags. Do you know what I mean? And I just really, really appreciate that. And so I totally understand why, you know, not everything is as high quality as maybe something of a higher price point, but that's because this isn't that higher price point. What they've done for the price that this bag is, I think is honestly remarkable. I'm so pleased with this bag. Again, I love wearing all of these bags. I absolutely love wearing, that's why I own them, but genuinely, I really, really do. And this bag I get so many compliments on. And then the 6th brand is by far the most spenny, but it is anything by Bulgari or Bulgari, whichever way you want to say it, crack on. But particularly their serpenty bags. I absolutely adore this design. I think this is the perfect combination of a bag meets jewellery. The serpenty head is just absolutely stunning, and I actually quite like anything with a snake design on it. I just think it's that little bit of edge without being kind of too much or trying too hard, and I just think the serpenty snake's head is just so beautiful. I love any of the Bulgari jewelry as well. I would just love to go and see it in person. Whether I ever own anything, we shall see. But I just think their whole design is just stunning. And yes, these bags are that like top tier level of really, really special for me. What would you add? What other brands that for you are that really, really special piece? Is there something that you're saving up for? Let me know. I would love to hear in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my Pinterest boards. I add quite a lot of things to them. They're fairly well varied. So have a fun perusing through those, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.